Once you get over 50, injuries from the past start coming back to haunt you with chronic aches and pains, and new injuries are much harder to recover from. In my experience, the common problem areas are shoulders, knees, and lower back. In this video, we'll cover a few exercises to add to your strength training routine to help you rebuild these areas, reduce aches and pains, and prevent future injuries. What's up guys, I'm Dave Durrell and welcome to Strength After 50. This channel is all about helping people over 50 stay strong and live full, active lives. Now let's get right into strength training for prevention of injuries over 50. We'll start with the shoulders. The first exercise is shoulder external rotation. This exercise will strengthen 3 of the deepest muscles of your shoulder joint, the external rotators of the rotator cuff complex. These muscles stabilize the shoulder joint and keep the humeral head centered in the joint socket, which helps prevent pain during movement. A simple way to do this exercise is side lying with a dumbbell. Placing a rolled towel between the upper arm and the side of the body is a much more comfortable way to perform the exercise than just resting your arm against your side. Start with the smallest dumbbell you have and work your way up as needed. The next shoulder exercise is the rear deltoid raise, which targets the often neglected back portion of the shoulders. The exercise movement consists of raising your arms out to the side like the letter T, then bringing them back as far as you can comfortably. Most gyms have a machine for this exercise. If your gym doesn't, or you're training at home, you can do them face down on a flat bench with dumbbells. Next, we'll address how to reduce pain and prevent injuries in the knees. This can be accomplished using what I call strongest range reps on a lower body push exercise, where you only move the weight through the last 30 degrees or so of the range of motion in a very slow, controlled fashion. You can try strongest range reps on leg presses in the gym, and they also work well with squats. And if you're a little more advanced, you can do them with lunges. Make sure to maintain a slow, controlled motion to eliminate momentum. To alleviate low back pain and prevent future low back injuries, an effective 2-step approach is to strengthen the muscles on each side of your lumbar spine and to perform abdominal bracing exercises to train your abdominals to contract while you're moving your limbs to protect your spine. Low back extension movements target the muscles on each side of your lumbar spine. These movements help in reducing low back pain and supporting and protecting your lumbar spine. Abdominal bracing means contracting all your abdominal muscles at once in a synergistic fashion to stabilize your lumbar spine as you dynamically move your limbs. While on your back and maintaining a neutral spine position, brace your abdominals by bearing down to contract all your abdominal muscles to hold your spine in this position. You should feel your abdominal muscles contract the way they do when you cough or sneeze. To check if you are contracting your muscles correctly, gently poke around the front and sides of your abdomen with your fingertips. Your muscles should be tight everywhere you poke around. A good abdominal bracing exercise to start with is abdominal bracing with marching. While holding that brace, start timing yourself and slowly lift your right foot 6 to 8 inches off the mat, keeping your knee bent. Slowly lower your right foot to its original position on the mat, then raise your left foot. There should be no movement in your waist or hips as you maintain your abdominal brace. Alternate in this fashion until you can no longer maintain your abdominal brace and stop the timer at that point. Your goal is 1 to 3 minutes.